I'm doing a mod showcase for my YouTube channel, and it is a Minecraft Pocket Edition mod showcase, Android only. We're doing the Goat Simulator mod, and as you can see in the right hand corner, there's the GS button. Yeah, I'm a person. I have a skin. Skin's already been in Pocket Edition yet. Let me back up. Oh, that's okay. And so, what you want to do in this mod is for Pocket Edition. Obviously, I believe I already stated that. You want to have this GS button here. Tap it, and you can select a goat. Oh my gosh, be a goat. I like the bird goat. I'm in a forest. I shouldn't have done that. I'm in creative. Wee, 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 wee. I'm a bird and a goat. What do you call me? A boat. Yes. Oh, oops, that's not what I meant to do. Whee! Stop flying! The Goat Simulator. Basically, just jump off really high. Next goat is a regular goat. It's a sheep and it's purple. If only I could share myself, right? This sheep, I thought it could fly for a second. It's just like a normal sheep. But, you know, you're a goat, so you can go explode stuff, except you can't. Except... Make stuff oh god, I'm on fire. Make stuff explode. I can do it. Oh god. Oh, that one didn't explode over there. Should probably go blow that up. Blow up. Yes. And the next goat we have in the Goat Simulator is the Birkin Goat. And you can be a piggy too. You guys want? Ouch. Worst my showcase ever. You always wanted to be a pig, right? Wrong, right? Yeah, right, totally right. Be a pig. Bird goat. And over that fat goat, it's a mushroom. Except not a mushroom, it's basically just a cow. It's basically a shared mushroom, but for some reason it still doesn't. I did not mean to do that. Not mean to do that. Next is the eight-legged goat. It's not a goat at all. It's a spider. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know at all. I can't tell my face. Why third-person view? In every other version of Minecraft, you can look at your face, but in this version you can't just cause. You know, they can put in an infinite world, but they can't have you look at your own face. Next is the Sploding Goat. Sploding Goat. Whee! I am Sploding Goat. And explode. Next we have the Noga, which is basically just me. Yeah, that's all. Explode and go. Except I'm me. Except I'm on fire here. Forest fire! Forest fire. Hold on. I just gotta start a forest fire here. For no reason. And be a goat. Goat Simulator. And it's apparently not always the same color goat. Sheep. Whatever. in the mod, so it could be kind of a randomized color, I guess. It's basically what it is. And that is the end of my mod showcase. And I'm done. Good.